Welcome to Bulldozer channel.
Various kinds of heavy equipment, road builders.
Excavator. Excavator is a type of heavy equipment commonly used in various construction and mining projects. It is designed with a long arm, boom, bucket, and a cabin mounted on a tracked or wheeled base. Excavators are versatile machines that can perform multiple functions. Excavators are crucial in construction, mining, and other heavy-duty industries due to their ability to improve productivity and work efficiency.
Asphalt paver. Asphalt paver. The asphalt paver. This beast of a machine is the key to building the roads we drive on every single day. With its massive hopper up front, it takes in hot asphalt mix, feeding it through conveyors and evenly spreading it across the surface. Then comes the screed at the back, leveling, shaping, and compacting the asphalt into a perfect layer. Whether it's highways, parking lots, or city streets, the asphalt paver delivers that flawless finish contractors rely on. Built tough to handle long hours and extreme conditions, it's not just a machine, it's the backbone of modern road construction.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer is a type of heavy equipment designed to push, level, or move materials such as soil, sand, gravel, and debris in construction, mining, and forestry projects. It is equipped with a large blade at the front and usually operates on tracks, providing high traction on rough terrain. Bulldozers are essential in the construction, mining, and forestry industries due to their ability to handle heavy-duty tasks efficiently.
Compactor. Compactor. A compactor, also called a roller, might not look as exciting as other machines, but it plays a vital role. These machines press down soil, gravel, or crushed rock to create strong, stable surfaces. In mining sites, compactors are used to prepare haul roads, stabilize ground for heavy machinery, and reduce dust. Without proper compaction, roads could collapse under the weight of massive trucks. So, while compactors don't dig or haul, they make sure the ground is tough enough to handle all the action.
A dump truck. Dump truck is a heavy vehicle used for transporting and dumping large amounts of material such as soil, rocks, sand, gravel, waste, and other materials. It is equipped with an open bed that can be lifted hydraulically to easily unload its contents at a designated location. Dump trucks are essential for projects that require transporting large amounts of material quickly and efficiently, making them indispensable in various industrial sectors. A pneumatic tire roller. A pneumatic tire roller is a heavy machine used to compact soil or asphalt surfaces using air-filled rubber tires. This equipment is commonly used in road construction to provide smoother and more flexible compaction compared to other compacting machines like tandem rollers. With the advantage of rubber tires delivering dynamic pressure, the pneumatic tire roller can compact materials down to their pores, creating a denser and more stable layer.
A motor grader. A motor grader is a heavy equipment machine equipped with a long blade in the middle, used for leveling soil surfaces, creating specific slopes, or producing smooth surfaces. It is commonly used in road construction, general construction, and agriculture projects. Motor graders are known for their ability to deliver precise and even ground surfaces. A motor grader is essential for tasks requiring a smooth and precise finish.
Vibratory roller. A vibratory roller is a type of heavy equipment used in construction and road building projects to compact various materials such as soil, gravel, asphalt, and concrete. It is equipped with a large drum or roller that vibrates to achieve a higher level of compaction than static rollers. The vibration mechanism enhances the roller's ability to reduce air voids and achieve a dense, stable surface.
A wheel loader. Wheel loader is a type of heavy equipment designed to move materials such as soil, sand, gravel, or rocks using a large bucket at the front. It is equipped with rubber tires, which make it easier to maneuver on various terrains, especially hard and flat surfaces. Wheel loaders are widely used in construction, mining, and forestry projects due to their efficiency in handling large amounts of material.